Welcome to another episode of our HR automation series. We learned from our client recently that one of the challenging processes that HR team has to face in almost every single month is the new hire onboarding process. You may not know about this, but it surprisingly involves quite a lot of teams internally and hard to control the amount of time to complete the whole process, which may lead to the delay and some miscommunication among the company and also the new hire candidates as well. Just to give you the overall idea of onboarding process, as you can see here on the screen, there are 4 parties getting involved in this process, of course, including new hire candidate themselves as well. There are notification emails flying around HR and IT team or even finance sometimes to perform some specific tasks like company's asset assignment, creating email for new hire, and inform the supervisor for the actual start date of those new hire. HR team also need to communicate some company messages to the new hire candidate and then gather back some more information like the experience survey or completing the required document checklist. This whole process that I just mentioned may take around 2 days to complete or even a week. It could be that long without a plan or good upfront communication among the teams who get involved due to the wait time between each task that need to be done by each team. So here is the question. What if we can significantly reduce the person who need to do some of the repetitive tasks from the process and be more active on the overall task on hand? Just imagine the time and the neck and neck issues that we can save. That would be amazing, right? In fact, we already created a bot called Onboarding bot. So here we are going to demonstrate the bot capability to facilitate and automate the task from onboarding process by using Automation Anywhere tools. Let's start from basic information of new hire employee. We are letting the bot to send emails to those related parties like IT, direct supervisor, and payroll team in the beginning of the process. What is going on here is that bot is preparing a file for direct supervisor, then send an email with that file to inform the actual start date of their new hire. Bot can send an email with predefined messages to communicate what needs to be done for each team with the attached file. As you can see, bot already sent an email to IT team for their asset assignment and email creation task. And yes, bot can also create email account for new hire record in your company Active Directory on behalf of IT team. Bot is grabbing the information from source file to fill in the details when creating an email. Here is the step where bot prepare the Excel report to record all the emails that get created and send it as the response from IT team to HR and also inform the new hire candidate on their company's email address with generated password. Normally, the step of asset management through the HCM or ERP system will be done by IT or HR team and usually cause the wait time between each team to fill in the information into the system and respond back to each other. But here you will see that RPA able to handle the task on its own since grab the information, assign asset data through the system, and send the result to the related parties. Right now, bot is grabbing the information from the asset source file and starting to assign a necessary asset to each new hire employee. Now bot is logging into the SCM system to maintain asset record at the employee level, which we are using Unit4 ProSoft in this video. Key information like assignment start date, asset name, and asset ID will be captured here. If you're wondering how the bot helps on system data entry or new hire data entry, we have the whole video explain about data entry in general and how exactly it works, so please go check that out. I will put the link in the description box below. But we'll keep capture all of that information for all the new hire employee until it fully processes the whole source file. After it's done, we can let it send the process output report to the IT or HR team to inform them the status or in case of any error during the process. At the same time, bot can reach out to the candidate in this batch via email to send them the checklist or a survey form to complete before they start working with the company. This can save a lot of time for the recruitment team to separately send out email and form to follow up with the candidates. That's pretty much the idea and capability of RPA towards the onboarding process. Hope it gives you enough information to visualize the benefit of process automation and how much time and cost that you can save from the typical onboarding process. We have a series about HR automation that basically talk about how you can automate other HR processes, so don't forget to check that out. And if you have any other question, feel free to reach out to our team from the contact details below. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end, and we will see you in the next episode.